2, 3. ए दिल मेरे चल रहे टन 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 टन, धीरे 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 टन 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 टन, तू जरा संभल रे टन 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 टन, धीरे धीरे धीरे. So bad.
Strike a Chord, a podcast by Arpana.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Strike a Chord after a very very long time, because those who have even heard 2 episodes would know what U2 does to me, and U2 happened twice in 15 days. So that I'm going to continue about U2 on some other time, because thanks to the big fat Indian wedding season, I have my cousin down from Dubai, and we've literally grown up together. Our first home was together, Rakhi.
Yes, of course, we were
Yeah.
neighbors.
So with me is Rakhi Gwalani.
Hi.
Hi. We are just 2 years apart. Our grandfather, because he had some 13 children, he made a building in Vadala, and most of us, all of us have been born there, at least our
Yeah.
generation, and then we moved out. In fact, I remember our first place was together, one big flat together, but
Yes.
as we grew, all the flats, they
Partitions.
made partitions,
Yes.
not India-Pakistan partition, just
correct.
like party like a Gwalani ka chota ghar.
yeah. So each family wanted its individual space, so that's
Yeah.
how it happened.
And just because we were 2 years apart, we were quite close. You were literally my first friend.
Yes, of course.
Same school. And I remember school mein hum log we went to Auxilium Convent, and there was a Goa trip planned.
Yes.
And because you were still my senior,
Senior.
and my class no one was going, I was the only one allowed in my class to go along because you were there.
Oh, yeah, we went
Yeah.
together. Oh, yes.
No one from my class came, so it was like your class doesn't have 6th standard, doesn't have a quota, and you were in 8th. So then I tagged along, and we went.
All
to
my friends were your friends.
Yeah. No, but of course there was a difference then. Now
Yeah.
it's not a big deal. Now even our children's friends are
So
friends.
you were
with
like
me.
their sister as well.
Yeah. And also I remember Rakhi used to have this huge crush on Kumar Gaurav.
Oh my god, that reminded me.
And that time also, after Love Story came that movie Star.
Yes.
And then happened the music of Nazia and Zoeb Hassan we used to listen to.
How we should dance in one room putting on the music.
And around the same time, I think even Wham happened.
I think so, one little after the year, sometime.
Maybe a couple of years.
Yeah,
But yeah, I remember going to other cousins, Gitu and Kavita. So we are the 4 Gwalani sisters, authentic Gwalani sisters, dressed up from dad's sister's side.
Yeah.
So Gitu, Kavita, they used to they were the only ones who lived in another building, and we used to go to their place, and they used to put the cassette, and like they used to
Yes.
dance like full. Kavita especially used to do that whole
Yes,
wake
the
me up.
jive.
No, but I also remember once exams were happening, and we were listening to Star again and again and again. Remember what Papa did? He removed the cassette from the player and he threw it. Broke it into pieces, and we both were so heartbroken.
Literally. And the uncle was really strict. I mean, we used to really get scared of him.
Yeah, but he's the most chilled out one right now, though.
Yeah, of course.
And your place, I mean, Kishore was the one who introduced us to rock music. We used to be the one like full pop, like Bollywood, not Bollywood also, Kumar. We were cool Bollywood. We liked the Biddu part. We didn't like the...
Yes, not the typical Govinda type of music.
But Geetu used to listen, not Govinda type, but Geetu used to listen to really nice old music like
Classic.
Ajeeb Daastaan Hai.
Yes.
So that classy bit came from Geetu.
Yeah.
The pop came from Kavita.
Kavita.
And then suddenly Kishore came in the picture. Kishore's
Led
Raki's older
Zeppelin.
brother. Yeah. And he used to be like bring all these video cassettes of the concerts of Rush.
Yeah.
And I remember even it was totally opposite of what Kishore used to listen to. We went through the Air Supply phase.
Yes.
You remember?
It started with soft rock and
Yeah.
soft music and stuff like that. And actually, I got introduced by my Rakhi brother, Joji.
I was
my
going to come to
transition,
that, yes.
yeah, my transition came in when I went to college and I saw this cool, group like called Short Circuit.
Short
that time.
Circuit.
Yeah, and we all wanted to know these guys, and because they were really really cool and they would sing so well. And there's this guy who was the lead singer.
Joji
His name
George.
was Joji George, and yeah, that's
Tell
how
us,
it
tell us about him, yeah. Like you guys.
He was my senior, and then we were, of course, in awe of this group.
Yeah.
And they used to play on our, main. What is that festival called? When in Jai Hind we used to have.
Jai Hind, we had a lot of festivals, but
Festivals.
Xavier's used to host music, the Independence Rock, Malhar, yeah.
Correct.
But yeah, Joji was one of the first rock bands which I encountered thanks to you. So
Yeah.
tell us about how many shows did you go for of theirs?
Well, with Joji, I was introduced to Mood Indigo.
Okay.
Then he used to have these. Sometimes he used to play on, I think, in town somewhere in Worli on a trailer. So when
On a trailer,
on
wow.
a trailer. So when I saw
we need
this
to
movie,
trace the story, huh?
yeah. So when I saw this movie Rock On, immediately I was like, oh God, it's like deja vu effect.
Wow.
Because if you see Rock On, you'll
Yeah.
see that it starts with they're on a trailer or something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
And then this gang is of 4 or 5, and there's a drummer, there's a lead guitarist, there's a rhythm guitarist, and the lead singer. Again, that Farhan Akhtar was the lead singer,
Huh.
and here I instantly connected. I said, oh my God, this looks like my own.
You're growing up, your
growing
first
here.
rock show with
Yes.
Short Circuit.
Yes, and those days I was not. For some reason, I had lost touch with Joji. All these years I was in touch, but for some reason, because I moved to Dubai and he moved to Singapore and stuff like that. And then when I saw this movie, I was like, oh my God, this is. And it shows in the movie that I think this group also splits up for some ego issues. And
So you know Suhas, my friend?
Yeah.
He's the co-writer for the movie, so I'll connect you with him later and you can discuss all this.
Yes. Yeah. So as you mentioned, I just kind of remembered everything.
Good.
Yeah.
So now that you're in Dubai, and I'm also a fan of a lot of Pakistani music, and we reconnected because in Dubai there's no like India, Pakistan,
There's nothing like
Afghanistan,
that.
the
There's
language and the
nothing like
music, yeah. And I remember when I started watching Coke Studio Pakistan, I used to send you videos and stuff, and then you used to send me videos back of your friends covering Zohaib Hassan songs, and for us Zohaib Hassan and Nadia Hassan were big.
So big.
I mean, come on, which was your favorite song?
I think so many.
Yeah, actually all the songs, there's
Oh,
not one song.
That first.
No.
This is from Star.
Star, yeah.
Star.
Star ke to gaane you have to tell me
Yeah,
about
yeah,
first.
yeah. I think.
Dil Mere Chal Rahe, was that also Star?
No, this
No.
was their
The album.
Yeah. And no, there's so many songs I can't recollect, but do you
Of course, we
remember?
will remember.
Yeah, the whole record. That record.
Disco Deewane.
Yes.
That was obviously another album, but
Yeah.
another movie or whatever.
I think it was from their.
Disco Deewane was, I think, some Feroz Khan type movie. I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Like Bollywood, I'll have to open the Wikipedia and look it up.
But instantly connected to Nazia's kind of music
Yeah.
because it was so, hummable and so
Yeah.
easy and very nice. So that's what.
The music is still relevant. That people are still
It is.
using it. I mean, it's still used. Disco Deewane is used, I think, in one of Karan Johar movies. One of the student
Yeah.
movies, I think. Yeah. And of course, yeah. I mean, recently, coming back to other music which we listen to, Wham. And recently, our nephew got married, and we were dancing to everything ABBA. Wham. We were doing the Macarena. No one would have thought it was a Sindhi wedding. They would
birdie
have thought
dance.
it's like a birdie dance.
Birdie
People
dance.
would have thought that
Back
this
to
is a Macapao wedding.
It was like back to school times.
Back to school, man. Yeah, and yeah, that way I have to appreciate Kavita and Arvind Jija because they were always in that
Yeah.
party music.
Yes.
Like they were up to date. Like I'm snapping my fingers also like imitating Kavita only because they were the ones who actually exposed us to
Yes.
all this the party stuff, and then
Correct.
comes in Kishore and everything goes dark, and everything goes like I don't want to get back to U2, but yes, if it was not Kishore, I wouldn't have even listened to the earlier album and stuff. And I'm gonna do a lot of U2 special stuff now, and I'm not. This is family special. I'm not gonna get there now. But yeah, actually, why don't you tell my craziness? Like, you witnessed it all since I was 15.
No, I actually did not follow. I'll be very honest.
No,
I have
I'm talking
listened
about you witnessed my craziness since yours.
oh yeah. So I'll tell you about me. I used to always be about U2, and I didn't know so many songs that I listened to are from U2. I mean, I really didn't follow the band, but that Achyutan, what
Achyutan maybe.
So I said, like, what is this? I think your email address was
Yeah, I had an email address called actonbaby underscore at hot whatever
and
dot
I
com.
never understood what is this, And now I know it was all U2.
Because crazy times. I remember my nephew Ronak. Remember, you got him for this Ganpati party at home, and he was like, how old was he? He was so tiny.
Tiny and
He
embarrassed
was
the
like,
daylight out of me.
how old was he? 2 years old, 3 years
I
old?
think not
And
even
the
two.
song
Humma.
two cheese bari hai, mast
Oh my
mast came
God,
out, and he was
I
like
was-
doing those whole pelvic thrust in the
Yeah.
Ganpati party.
And I was so embarrassed. I swear I didn't know where to look.
It was like the worst phase of music we've gone through was then.
Oh yeah, that time it was really bad music. Really, I
Yeah.
think Bollywood was going through its worst.
Yeah, that time we had moved to Pali. We were infested with all Bollywood people around us.
Yeah.
You were working for Manish Malhotra, remember?
No, that I was done with it because I was married.
And that was, but that also was another thing. Like, you were working for Manish, and I remember I was in school. And his first workshop was in his house
In his
itself,
house.
across the road
Yeah.
from Pali, where
And I
live.
was so proud. Let me tell you about this one incident. And I was so
Tell.
proud that my cousin is getting a dress done from the person I'm working with, and I was like, okay, so she comes in and he does a dress, and she's supposed to wear it for a wedding. I forgot whose wedding. I think it was Viju's wedding
Yeah.
or someone, I don't know.
I think Ravi Cookie or someone.
Someone's wedding, she
Huh.
had to wear it too. It was a bronze outfit, I cannot forget. And something happened, and it wasn't ready on the occasion. You threw such a fit,
I didn't
auntie.
mom through a fit.
Auntie threw such a fit, and he was like apologetic, and I'm
He
so
wrote her
sorry.
a note and all that. And my mom was like, "Abhi iska kya karungi? मैं अचार बनाऊंगी." And guess what? Where did I wear that outfit? Your wedding. Yeah.
Really? Oh, that's cool. It was
That's
a bronze
okay.
outfit, right?
Yeah.
Very nice, actually.
Yeah. So yeah, Rakhi used to work for Manish Malhotra when he used to work out of home.
Yeah. That was my initial time to, the first, I think, proper job that I did was with him. But it was a great experience.
I remember that one incident. You were out on a field with him, and he asked you your age, and you said 18 or something, and he was shocked. He's like, "What? I've got an underage working with me." I remember you telling me he was shocked that you're a kid or something.
Yeah. But it was very nice of him to absorb me initially in his career, and he wanted to just start off his own.
I mean, the only time I've interacted with him when I used to come hang with you when you were at his place, but he was the sweetest.
Very sweet.
I have good memories of him always smiling and be very sweet. I don't even know if he remembers me anymore, but he used to still call me RP and he used to be very concerned. Yeah, so that was a good journey with Manish Malhotra, and good. See, you were his lucky charm. You got him famous. Chalo, let's now get back to music, because then going Bollywood is just not my scene right now.
No, so I was quite. I was influenced by Joji to a great extent. And honestly, there came a phase. I don't want to, say this. I got so busy with my career and work and life as such, and I had stopped listening to music. So when
But I don't blame you. You had so many responsibilities. Yeah.
So then there was a time when I had this period when I wasn't working. Just recently I had to take a break because I lost my job, to be
That's
honest.
okay.
Yeah.
I know you got one again, so
yeah.
it's okay.
So that break, that time that I had 6 to 8 months, I really had I was at the best time of my life. I listened to the same music I used to listen to. I used to bore my colleagues. I used to send them music in the middle of the night.
And then you started listening to YouTube because of your iPhone.
Yeah. So that I had no choice, because suddenly it would just start playing his
It
music.
don't sound like
but
you're
it was
complaining.
no. But I really enjoy their music. So let's be honest.
Hey, but that 6-8 month break we all need. I was slogging my ass in Gosara for 11 years. You've seen that.
Yeah.
And before that, I was working jobs, consulting, catering, and everything. You guys have seen that.
Yeah.
So me also taking that break actually has brought about. I'm not saying that I had a bad time. I had a great time. But breaks are also good.
Needed.
Breaks are needed. Breaks bring you the best gifts. Breaks, like not taking a holiday for years. I've already gone to Sri Lanka.
No, you went to Sri Lanka. I went to Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Oh
See.
my god! And it was so at the
Mistake.
same time.
Yeah.
I went in November. I came back in December, and for some reason I
And
couldn't
December,
come.
I took a break, and Feb, I went to Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
I mean, it was a family party. We all couldn't be there for like various reasons together.
Yeah, I couldn't come because by then I got another job.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, it was
And I
at the same
couldn't. I
time.
could go because I became jobless just
Yes.
then. Yeah, and then I got to go to Singapore again and do this podcast with Anit. I have this really sweet band ANC that I asked me to manage them, though I need to buckle up and really get around that seriously. It's not that I've not been serious, it's just that too many things have happened. And the best gifts I got, my lifelong dream of watching U2, not just once, I got to watch them twice. Be right in the front and get flying kisses from Bono. I'm going to do another episode on that, sorry.
Yeah.
But yeah, so breaks are always good. But one thing about your break is that at least it got you back to the music.
Music, yes. And now I listen to the kind of music I used to listen to earlier.
Yeah.
But I think it just stopped, that there was a gap that I just did not listen. But when I started, it was the same that I used to listen to. So again, I'm back to.
So welcome back to normal life. Yeah, thanks. Thanks to Devesh that we all are here. Devesh, we need to make more memes. Doesn't mean that you got married and it's over. Your WhatsApp group memes will still continue.
Yeah.
Only the Gwalanis will understand this bit.
Of course. And their sense of humor, the sarcastic sense of humor they have.
So you know what happened today? How this is for my listeners. Rakhi is down from Dubai for the wedding. Ronak, her son, also gave us all a surprise and went back after doing his root canal. And she's flying back tomorrow, and we were just hanging, and I'm like, hey, if anyone I should have on my podcast, it's her. Our journey with music has started together.
True. Absolutely.
And I hope it continues, and I hope we keep sending each other music, and maybe we should really plan that we both now go to watch U2 in 2021 Dublin.
I'm game.
Chala?
Of course.
Okay. So on that note, thank you for listening, and thank you, Rakhi, and we will do one full Gwalani episode also soon.
Pleasure was mine. Thank you.
Strike a Chord, a podcast by Arpana.